Hi, I'm Alexander, and I'd like to welcome you to BubbleWeb Development. This is a web development platform that began as a blog back in 2011 with the purpose of posting assignments for a web journalism class. Um, all completed assignments would be posted to this blog, and each one was carefully drafted and organized, and the design of the website stuck when the website was later upgraded, or when the blog was later upgraded to a website back in 2015. And that website looked perfectly like this. This is the exact page you would see when it would come up as of late 2024. Um, between 2015 and 2024, the website slowly and gradually evolved until what you see here. I do have the previous logo that I used back in 2018 as a reference as to how the website evolved and things like that. So, if anybody needs a reference as to what the website looked like when it was completed in 2024, the web link is up here in the URL. That is barnumcreativity.wixsite.com/home. The website did have a domain attached to it, which was barnumcreativity.com. Um, Everything associated with Barnum Creativity is still active. The Facebook page for it is still online, and then everything that this is connected to, all the links should still be accessible. I'm not looking at getting rid of this anytime soon. A lot of the progress that's been done on this website is just there for a reference for anyone that needs it. But ultimately, this is the future of that development platform. Barnum Creativity was a computer lab based in the Lansing area, and it had the sole function of office automation and things like that. Um, a brief tour of what those features include are right here in the menu. Um, Websites are a fundamental function of the platform. Then after that, you've got home-based networking. And then underneath of that, you've got smart home applications. These are things like Echo devices, Google Nest, things like that. Programming smart homes are essential due to the fact that we can walk in, get things situated and organized, getting a smart home network hub up and running. Um, Essentially, it was supposed to be something like Geek Squad, where we had a service where we could go in. We drafted a service where we could go in and organize in-home networks, install gaming consoles and things like that. And then outside of that, we cared a lot about code in the sense that we could create libraries that had a lot of code references for HTML, CSS, PHP, and then SQL, and then MySQL, as well as database applications and things like that. So, and then after that, we decided automation was the way to go. We're big on that. And then we have a file sharing section on the website as well. Um, so the file sharing is a new feature we just added based on what was available on Wix. But ultimately, it's a very powerful tool we have at our disposal. All that can be accessed as soon as you log in. Um, um, it's a little bit more of a simpler setup on this type of thing than what Barn Creativity was. The name has changed as well. It's now, we're going a little bit more on the bluer side of things, which is a cooler color than orange, which is obviously a warmer color. So that palette has changed a little bit. Number is still the same. It's still accessible. You can still call. And if you you have any general question, you can reach out that way. We have information up on social media, so that way you can contact us by email. And if you had any questions on that, our contact information is right here down at the bottom. Shows the year we were established. Contact number is still the same, as you can see. Email link is right here. That will take you to the Facebook page. And then after that, the contact email is right here. And then if you need any more information on that, you can head right on over to the contact page on our website. And from there, you have a contact form. You can enter your first name, last name, email, and a message. And then contact email for us is right there. You can email that. There's a second form of contact with that phone number. And then here's our social links to Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. We do stream on Twitch. As mentioned on the Barn Creativity website, we're big on Minecraft. I mean, not kidding you on that. Minecraft is one of our favorite games here as far as playing and all of that. This was the previous page as it showed up on the Barn Creativity website when it was still live. The links for that are not going to disappear. We had a platform on here called Barnum Gaming. We did everything under the Barnum name, which is my last name. I decided to keep that simple back in the day. It worked for the time being due to the fact that it was just an easier name to remember at the time. But now we've got BubbleWeb, so outside of that, we kind of kept the tradition of keeping the names consistent. So if you see BubbleWeb Development, we also have BubbleWeb Gaming. The link for that, I believe, should be in here somewhere, but I don't have it yet. A website is actually being devised right now for that purpose. BubbleWeb is originally designed to take the place of what was Barnum Web Design back in the day. So it's not completely taking over Barnum Creativity, but rather the web development aspect of it. And then we're continuing the tradition of gaming through that name as well. So BubbleWeb Gaming is a development website we're working on right now. I'm just going to go ahead and continue to disclose that due to the fact that even though the website is not ready yet, we still have that in development. So, and then we offer these various items as well. We do offer networking for people, smart home integrations, and then we have those code libraries that we're working on getting established. So for developers and coders and things like that, that is a resource we definitely want you to take advantage of. Office automation, or we're just calling it automation on the website, because there's not enough room to put office in there. But ultimately, we're running a computer lab that focuses on that automation. Great if you need an office monitored or maintained, that type of thing. And I'm experimenting with that right now, running my own computer lab in my home. So that's I'm right there with you guys.